Jeremy Clarkson will join thousands of farmers who are set to descend on Westminster to protest the latest tractor tax. Jeremy Clarkson will leave Diddley Squat Farm to lead a squad of furious country workers. Thousands will flock to the streets of London to protest against Labour Chancellor Rachel Reeves' controversial budget. The Clarkson's farm star, 64, recently underwent a life-saving heart operation but is prepared to defy doctors' orders for the planned inheritance levy march, which was a hugely important issue for everyone. The former Top Gear star said he will be joined by his co-star Caleb Cooper to protest against Labour's plans which could impact farming families. He told The Sun, "I will be there, despite having letters from doctors telling me not to go on the march and saying I must avoid stress." The TV star will join thousands protesting over inheritance tax plans that they fear could see many family farms having to be sold off. Farmers are furious at a tractor tax that would see a 20% levy slapped on holdings valued above £1 million. "We have got 2 coaches of farmers from around here who are leaving from Diddley Squat. It is a hugely important issue. The tax changes are due in April 2026. The Treasury claims they will affect just 27% of farms, but the National Farmers Union say around 2 in 3 will be hit. It has publicly urged members not to strike or disrupt food supplies. However, there are fears of possible blockades.